operations in list, and then list indexing and list slicing. Like we had the indexing and slicing for the strings, we also have the indexing and slicing for the list. Okay, so we are going to see them, and then followed by the list methods, and what are the predefined methods that are available along with the list, which makes the process much more easier. And then few exercises based on these operations and methods. First, we should know what are lists. We have already learned about the types, data types in Python. They values by commas. And when we look at the type of these values, dissimilar data types are allowed, which means I can have an integer value, I can have a float value, character string, anything of my wish. So putting it all together, list will be called as a set of values of different types separated by commas and enclosed within square brackets. Lists are mutable, which means I can modify the values that are present inside the list. I say it is a collection change them as 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50 also, because they are mutable. Okay. So if you want to pick one particular value and change that, how do you pick a particular value? It is based on indexing. How to pick a portion of the list, or if you want to have the entire list or half of the list, okay, we will be using slicing. That is why we have this indexing and slicing. Okay. For not only for displaying and also to making no fixed size. This is because I can grow a list or shrink a list, which means the number of elements in the list can be increased or decreased. If I can remove a particular value from the list, I can add a value, or I can add a number of values to the list. List is modifiable, isn't it? So I can do all those corrections. That is also called as modifying the list. Or if we change the value that is already existing, that is also called as modification. So all these are possible. List is mutable type. So this is very, very important in Python. Creating a list. So when you look at the slide, the first point is repeating all these because you should understand. Based on this only, you will be able to code for the real-time problems or applications. The ABCD in future. In the next line itself, I can modify it. That is why lists are called as mutable. Mutable means modifiable, changeable. Okay. That is why I was insisting on that concept. I can add elements to it. I can remove elements to it. And also I can change the values to it. So all these are possible. So change inside the square brackets, it refers to list. Okay. When you have a collection of items or elements within curly braces, okay, then it is called as dictionaries. But in dictionaries, it is not an atomic value that is there. Each and every item will be a key value pair. So you're going to have a key and then colon and then a value. So put together, it is called as an item or key value pair. So these are the data types that we have already learned. What are actually data types? The types of a set also we have with curly braces, but I have not added any element to it. It is okay. Empty thing is allowed because the first example was about the empty list, isn't it? So I have created the list with 4 values now, or 4 items, 4 elements. So whichever word you want, you can use those. Second one, 40.0, that is the second value. And third, clear to you. So how many so there are only 3 elements. Okay. predefined function. So as of now, you do not know about what are the predefined functions. You are just a beginner, isn't it? You're yet to discover or explore all the predefined functions that are available in Python. So as of now, get to know this. If this is a valid statement, if the interpreter allows this, understand that it is a predefined function. So list is a predefined function. Like we have the int. What is int? Int of 9.2. What is the answer for that? Post it in the chat box, please. Yes, Aravind, good. Shalini, Lakshmi is good. So int of 9.2 is 9 is good. What is int of 9.8 or 9.9? It is again 9. You should not round it off to 10. Okay, it should be 9 only, because int means whichever comes before the dot, that is considered to be the integer part, isn't it? So that are brackets. So slicing, we have the colon. Okay, for the range, it is only comma. When I have range and then two values, what does it mean? Starting criterion and then stopping criterion. So starting criterion is -4. Is a third that is possible in the standard syntax step size. If I don't give the step size, it refers to 1. So minus just from the given the predefined. The list. And then concatenation and then repetition. Okay, converting one type to another type was already dealt in the previous slide itself. So the basic operations here are finding the concatenation and repetition. Concatenation means you all know joining two values or two variables together, two objects together. Okay, so how do you use the word concatenation? When do you use the concatenation here, ma? When I'm going to join two lists into one list, that would be called as concatenation. When you want to repeat a list a few times, then it is called as repetition. See, though you have the numbers here, look at the second example, 1, 2, 3 within square brackets. So it is obviously a list. On the right hand side, we have 4, 5, 6. So it is again a list. Okay, square brackets, comma is here. Even if we have different types also, it is allowed because list is a collection of values of different data types. Different data types. Don't think that it should be always of different type. I can even have of same type also. When dissimilar type itself is allowed, similar types are also allowed, isn't it? So, see, though I have given the number, it is not the arithmetic operation here because I'm not dealing with the arithmetic operation. Two lists, when you have two lists and in between a plus symbol, that is called as concatenation, which means you're going to try to join the list. So 1, 2, and 3, that is the first list, isn't it? And after that, you are going to add the elements from the second list, 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That will be the resultant. So when you look at the repetition operation, it is given as no star 4. So what is the answer you get? No comma, no comma, no comma, no. So it is comma. We have a comma here because I have only one element in the list. Into 4. So 4 times means it should be repeated 4 times, isn't it? So it is 4 times the string is repeated. So we have 4 values in the output list. Okay, if you're going to have yes, it will be yes, 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 yes. Okay. So it is a repetition, so you can have any value you want. I've just given you one simple example. Okay, then moving on to the length function, len of 1, 2, 3. See here, len of. After len, you have a parenthesis. So it is a predefined function. I've already told you about this len function. What is the meaning of len function? It is going to find the number of elements in the given type. Okay, so what is the type that is given? 1, 2, 3 put in square bracket. So it is a list, isn't it? So it is going to find the number of elements in the list. What are the number of elements in the list? 1, 2, and 3. 3. Answer is 3. Okay. So the last example. So this is also possible. See, when you have the concatenation on the left hand side, you have the list. On right also, you should have the list, isn't it? Only then you can do the concatenation joining process. What is on the right, ma? List of 34. See, 34 is not the number here. It is a string because 34 is given within quotations. Okay, it is given within quotes. It can be single, double, or triple quotes. Okay, so that is given in quotes. So that would be converted into list type. So how do you convert? 3, 4 within square brackets. So the resultant of this, look at the right hand side. I have given a comment line there. Comment line starts with hash, isn't it? So convert string into list, same as, so this expression, the given expression is same as 1, 2 within square bracket plus 3, 4 within square bracket. So I've got list on either side. Okay, 3 and 4 is within quotes. Look at this. This is very, very important. I'm converting a string into list means, and all the list elements should be also of type string only. Many people forget to give the quotes here. What happens here is 1, 2, 3, 4. As if they are the integers, they assume and write it. That would be an error. That is not allowed. So in interviews, when you go for the interviews or any tests, MCQs, they will give all the choices. So you'll get trapped with 3, 4 instead of 3, 4 in string, put in string. So You should be cautious on this case. Okay. If you're not given with the compiler or interpreter, how do you justify your answer? Only if you're thorough with the basics, you can be able to pick the correct answers. Yes. Okay. Balaji, append function. I'm going to teach you the functions, Balaji. I'm just dealing with the operations now. Next one is about the functions. I'll teach you what is append function and also the extent and all. Okay. Bharadwaj, -4 has come, but why +4 is not? But that is a stopping criterion. I should not include the stopping criterion. I should stop with a number to the that falls before that. Okay. Okay, Lakshmi has asked 40.0. 40.0 is equal to 40. Hey, that is the mathematical thing. Okay, 40.0 is only a floating type. In C programming also it is it is a floating type. Even in Python it is float type only. When you have the fractional part included, be it 0 or not, you have it included. So it is a floating type only. It is not an integer type. It will not be assumed as integer at all. If you want, you can convert that into integer 40. Though 40.0 and 40 are equal, you think it that way also. They are not considered to be equal in programming language because they are of different types. Different types it takes different space. நமக்கு C ல பாத்திருப்பீங்க 2 bytes எடுத்துக்கோ integer and 4 bytes எடுத்துக்கோ. say for example 2 bytes integer எடுக்கும்போது 4 bytes float கொடுப்போம் இல்லையா? அப்படி இருக்கும்போது space itself is different. So it is the same. We have posted all the recorded links in the YouTube channel. Check all the recorded links of last week's session is available. Please check. We will share it in the chat box today. Don't worry. So list operations are over. Then membership. So I've already told about the membership. We have in and not in Python, isn't it? In, not in. Okay, not space in. Okay. So whenever you have the membership operator on the left hand side, we will be having the member. Okay. I mean, you are going to have an atomic variable or one single variable. On the right or value, on the right hand side, you're going to have the collective type. So I can have a string, I can have a list, I can have a tuple, or any kind of collective variable there. Okay. So here I'm just checking for the list. Okay. 3 in 1, 2, 3. I'm checking whether 3 is a member of this particular list that comes on the right hand side. Yes, of course it is a member. Look at the list. I have 1, 2, and 3. 3 is there. So 3 in 1, 2, 3 is true. If I say 3 not in 1, 2, 3, then what should be the answer? False, because 3 is there. If I say 4 in 1, 2, 3, false. 4 is not there, isn't it? Then iteration. So how do you print the values that is there? See, many people were asking me about this. How to print the values on the same line and all those. I was telling you can go with the end or the tab space and all those. So see, I've used that here. For x in 1, 2, 3. You all know the syntax or forma for item in sequence. So what is that item? Item is the iteration variable, isn't it? So you can, it is used to define. Here I'm using x as a variable name. Okay. For x in 1, 2, 3. What is 1, 2, and 3? It is a list. List values are kept directly there. I did not use the variable name there. List name use பண்ணல. என்ன பண்ணிருக்கேன்? List direct place பண்ணிட்ட அதோட values. So for x in 1, 2, 3 multiple values இருக்கு, sequence இருக்கு. Colon. See, while if எல்லாத்துலயும் colon use பண்ணுவீங்க, many students forget to use the colon for the for loop. Please make sure that you give the colon. If not, again it will throw an error. Expected and intended block and all those stuff and not colon. Okay. So make sure that you give a colon and then proceed with the logic after a tab space. Okay, print x comma end is equal to, I have put one space here. Okay, within quotes there is a white space. Okay, so if you have this kind of a thing, first iteration, x takes the value 1, isn't it? First value. So get into the for loop. Print x. So x is without quotes, so it refers to the value of x. What is value of x now? 1. 1 gets printed. After you print 1, what happens? See, go to the next part, second part of the print statement. End is equal to, you have this. So which means after that, at the end, have this added. What is given here? I've given white space. If you want, you can give star also. If you give star, the answer will be 1 star. 1 star. Second iteration, ponga. Second iteration, x takes the value 2, isn't it? So print x, 2 will be printed. Then, add white space. So 1 white space, 2 white space, 3. 3 or white space because third iteration, 3 print I have this end, isn't it? Delimiter. So, inga irukku enakku vandu and the white space இருக்க போது அதுக்கப்புறம் it goes to the fourth iteration and I don't have any more values. Okay, there are no more values in the list, so I'll come out of it. And the 3 அப்புறம் இருக்க white space ஏன் நமக்கு தெரியலனா அதுக்கப்புறம் இருக்கிறது எல்லாமே white space. That's it. Instead of white space நீங்க star யூஸ் பண்ணி பாருங்க, you will get that as the answer. You will be asking me to run this. Let me run the code. So tab space, don't forget that. I'm going to give a white space there. Okay, so let me give a press tab there. I mean, sorry, white space, space bar. I'll have to save it. So it is asking me to save the code. So let it be. See, 1 space, 2 space, 3. Okay, so instead of space, if you want to have anything else, you can have it. See, let me put star there. Okay, instead of that, let me put a dollar symbol. Run. You'll get $1, $2, 3. Okay, so you can use this for the presentation. So which, however you want to display the output, in that way you can have this. So going back to the slide. So next comes the indexing operation. I've already told indexing and slicing is allowed in lists. See, because of which only we are able to modify the list many times. So L is equal to dream comes true. So I have placed 3 items here. The first is of type string, second is also of type string, and third again string, because all those are within quotes. Okay, so the first value is dream, second is comes, and the third one is true along with the exclamation. I've told string is a collection of values, isn't it? So I can have a collection of characters, so I can have digits, alphabet, symbols also. Okay, so exclamation is allowed there in string. Okay, L of 2, indexing starts at 0, isn't it? So 0 linear dream, 1 la comes, and what is that index to? True. Okay, so L of 2 kudukumbodhu, what is L? That is a list name. Okay, so I can have any number of lists in my program. If I want to print this particular true value, I should know the name of that list. So give the name of the list followed by the index value. Like string name and then the index operator. How do you write the index operator? Square brackets, and inside the square bracket you should give the index. Okay, index value. So L of -2. Negative indexing is also allowed in Python. So every last element begins with -1 and it moves towards the left. So this last element -1 ma -2 comes. Okay, so comes is the answer. I've already told index is otherwise called as offset, isn't it? So all those are given on the right hand side. Okay, comments, I put it as comments here. So this comment or use is so if your program, if you want to look at my, though it is a PPT also, I've given the comments because you can understand how you have got that answer. Okay, comments are basically for that only. So L is equal to, third example, L is equal to Bob, 40.0, Dave, MGR. So this was the example that we saw for creation of the list, isn't it? Now look at this. What is the L of 0? Bob, isn't it? What is the L of 1? 40.0. What is the L of 2? That is the important question. L of 2 list as a whole ma, the list, entire list is an item there. So L of 2 answer Dave, MGR, which means and the entire list has been considered to be one single item. So I've got the answer. And this is also called as accessing the nested list or nested sublist. Okay. Just ஒரே ஒரு index use பண்ணிக்கி. இப்ப பாருங்க multiple indexing எப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணலாம் பாருங்க. இப்ப say for example if I want to print MGR or Dave, in that case how do you do that? நீங்க நார்மலா பாத்தீங்கன்னா இப்ப Dave, MGR எங்க இருக்குன்னா it is inside the inner list. So L of 2 னு கொடுக்கும்போது you are going to pick the list, inner list. Inside that I am going to pick another element. So again I'll have to go with the indexing. L of 2 of 0 னு கொடுக்கிறேன். பாத்துக்கோங்க. L of 2, 0 na கொடுக்காதீங்க. That will not work. That is like that is not there in the syntax itself. உங்களுக்கே தெரியும் ரேஞ்ச் தான் கம்மா இருக்கு, நமக்கு சைசிங்ல கோலம் தான் இருக்கு, பட் அப்ப நீங்க கொடுக்க முடியாது அப்படி. So this is how we should give. Close it. இண்டெக்ஸ் ஆபரேட்டர்ல ஒரு இண்டெக்ஸ் தான் கொடுக்க முடியும்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன். So L of 2 ன்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா L of 2 ல and then 0. Okay, L of 2 ல என்ன இருக்கு? Dev, mgr. In that you are going to pick the value at index 0. What is value at index 0? Dev. Index 1 ல mgr இருக்கு. Okay. Hope this is clear to you. Then index assignment is also allowed. How was this assignment allowed, ma? That day I was trying to give this assignment for the string. It thrown an error telling that the class SCR is not allowed to have this assignment because strings are immutable, whereas list is mutable. So L is equal to dream comes true. Place 3 items. We look at the second line. L of 1 is equal to becomes. See, whenever you have the assignment operator, don't place the value for L of 1. That should not happen. If it is a relation operator or comparison operator only, you should have values on either side. This is our assignment statement. Assignment statement is equal to assignment operator. You should focus on the right hand side. What is on the right hand side? A value called as becomes. Yes or not? Becomes becomes is within codes. So it's a string type. So அது என்ன பண்றேன்னா அந்த வேல்யூ எங்க ஸ்டோர் பண்ண போறோம்? லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு லொகேஷன்ல ஒரு வேரியபிள் நேம்ல இல்லையா? இங்க என்ன இருக்குன்னா ln கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. ln டைரக்டா ஸ்டோர் பண்ண முடியாது because l is a sequence type. அப்ப அது எந்த லொகேஷன் தெரியணும்? l நான் நிறைய வேல்யூ வச்சிருக்கேன். சோ எந்த பர்టిక్యులர் லொகேஷன் தெரியணும். சோ இண்டெக்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன். l of 1 is equal to becomes. So becomes is stored. It should be stored at l of 1, which means it should be stored at the index 1 of the list l. Because I can have any number of lists, we are focusing on the list named L. Okay. If any answer, what will be the answer for this? Look at the third line. I'm trying to get the answer for L. Okay, what should be the answer? List is mutable. All these can be done. Okay, list assignment L of 1 becomes lower pandran. But what happens to comes and all those? That is a question. CSE students can try answering for this. Yes, Vignesh, Gokul is many people are answering. Good. Kirtana. Muthu, Yakavi, Sheikh. Yes, correct. Dream becomes true. So many people wrote dream space becomes space true. That should not be the thing. And dream becomes true. Again, that is not the answer. You should place all these within the square brackets, and each and every item should be in quotes. Make sure that you write this. You know the answer. Many have answered. I mean, I guess all of you have answered the correct value only, but then put it in the correct format. That is important. Followed by list-based arrays. So you would have learned about the matrix, isn't it? How do you write the matrix using list? List is a collection of values separated by commas and enclosed in square brackets. In a matrix, matrix is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many elements in matrix? Answer for this. How many elements are there in this list called as matrix? In the list name, then a matrix it is user defined name. How many elements? Yes, good. 3 elements. 3 elements because the first element is 1, 2, 3, second element is 4, 5, 6, third element is 7, 8, 9. Don't tell 9 elements are there because each and every item is separated by comma. I have only 3 elements. First element is of type list. And the list is 1, 2, 3. Second element is of type list. There I have 4, 5, 6. And third element again is of type list. There I have 7, 8, 9. So there are only 3 items in matrix. First item la pathina anga or 3 values because that is of type list. Understand. So it is nested sublist or nested list. So look at this matrix of 1. What is this matrix of 1? If the name don't get confused. Okay, matrix is a user defined name. That's the list name. And square brackets indexing. Value. So index 1 liner code, that is the answer. What is that index 1? Index 0 la first list. Index 2, I mean index 0 la first list. Index 1 la the second sublist 4, 5, 6 as a whole will be the answer. When you want to pick a particular number, matrix of 1 and 1. Matrix of 1 and 1 and answer Make sure that you start with indexing from 0. Many tend to forget to start with 0 for the inner list. Inner list ku 0 la ஆரம்பிக்கணும். So matrix of 1 and 1 என்ன வரும்னா 0 la 1 2 3 போயிடுச்சு. So matrix of 1 la என்ன இருக்கு 4 5 6. Focus on that. In that focus on the index 1. அப்போ 0 la வந்து 4 இருக்கும். Index 1 la 5 தான் இருக்கு. So answer is 5. Biology students, is this clear? Muthu Vignesh, what is the meaning of array? Array is a collection of values of similar type, ma. Okay, but to implement the arrays, we need NumPy. Okay, so you can have this list itself of this similar type also. You need not go and use arrays. If you want, you can use arrays also, but here I've used the term list-based arrays because array is a collection of values of similar type. Ore type now 1, 2, 3 yes, it is an integer array. Now 1.2 1.2, 2.2, 3.5 other kalam. So it is an array of floating type. Okay, so inga same type use பண்றதுனால list-based arrays ன்னு கொடுத்திருக்கேன். Is there 0 of 0? Yes, Ajit, 0 of 0 irukku, but round brackets use பண்ண கூடாதுமா. Square brackets தான் use பண்ணனும் indexing la. 0 of 0 என்ன வரும்? Can anyone tell me the answer? Matrix of 0 0. What will be the answer, ma? Matrix of 0 ன்னு சொல்லும்போது இந்த first sublist எடுத்துக்கிறோம். அதுல index 0 என்ன இருக்கு? 1. 1 is the answer. Yes, many people are answering. I'm so glad about this. So interactive. Okay, next one. What is the next example? Matrix is equal. See, when you look at the first line and the last line in the slide, I mean the last previous line, both are same. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Both of these are same. நான் same name la da கொடுத்திருக்கேன். Presentation மட்டும் நான் மாத்தி கொடுத்திருக்கேன். சரியா? Okay, now look at this. It is the same. So உங்களுக்கு matrix வந்து mathsல எப்படி இருக்கு அப்படியே டிஸ்ப்ளே பண்ணனும். Presentation மட்டும் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கோங்கமா. See 1 2 3, then I have a comma followed by another element and then comma another element. You can press enter and go with it. It will not get over. That is because the outer square bracket has not found its pair. In the outer square bracket, inga da mudikiren. So as long as the interpreter encounters that outer square bracket, it understands that the list is still continuous. So ipdi ninga mathematical formula matrix irukanona you can give. And it is again a slicing operation, I mean indexing operation that is done. So this is all about the indexing and the list-based arrays operations in lists. Now we are going to deal with methods. Before that, our outreach head, Prince Pakiraj sir, is going to address the session now, ma. Sir?
Yes, madam.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Am I coming video?
Sir?
So, am I visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Visible and audible too.
Yeah, thank you. So, good morning, students. Students, chat box la good morning type பண்ணலாமே. Very good. Dinesh, good morning. Yes, Bharatwaj, good morning. Sweta, good morning. Super. So, நான் கூட நிறைய பேர் ஆன் பண்ணி வச்சுட்டு அப்படி தனியா போயிட்டீங்க போல நினைச்சேன். So, எல்லாம் they are all attentive. So, thank you very much, Kritika. So I hope you are enjoying the Python programming. I can say that. Are you enjoying it? If you are enjoying it, type yes. Yes, sir. Then if you are enjoying this Python programming, then you are the most wanted artificial intelligence programmer in the world. Okay. So such a lovely students you are. So every day madams used to give feedback about your program. So she used to say that students are very interactive. Many are asking questions. So this is what it is needed. So happy to see you guys in this wonderful platform. So interesting. Very good. So my dear students, we started with more than 350 students in this group in the course. Now it is almost 240, 234 like that it is going on. See here, try to understand that you need to have patience if you want to be a highly knowledgeable person in particular domain. You cannot achieve that within 1 hour session. So it is that's why we planned it up to 15 days program. So madam is taking utmost care to equip you with good knowledge, as well as she wants everyone, those who are participating in that course, should be a excellent artificial intelligence programmer. So that is the ultimate wish of her. I hope you all will become an excellent AI programmer. So Rajalakshmi Institute of Technology takes immense pleasure in conducting this program for our beloved students of class 2020. I'm right? 2021 நீங்க? Yes. Please tell me about AI. அதெல்லாம் வந்து மேடம் ஸ்டார்டிங்லேயே சொல்லியிருப்பாங்க. So once again, ஒவ்வொரு செஷன்லையும் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் நீங்க கேட்கறதுக்கு ஆன்சர் பண்றாங்க. So she will answer it to you. So we received many phone calls from the participant that about the admission in Rajalakshmi Institute of Technology. ஒரு few words about Rajalakshmi Institute of Technology பத்தி கொரோனா பேட்ச் V2 became கொரோனா பேட்ச் அப்படின்னு போட்டிருக்காரு. ஓகே, ஸோ உங்களுக்கு தான் நிறைய சேலஞ்சஸ் இருக்கு கண்ணுங்களா. the society needs you. உங்கள்ட்ட இருந்து நிறைய ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு எதிர்பார்ப்போட இந்த சமுதாயம் காத்திருக்கு. So lot of responsibilities on your shoulder, not only your family responsibility, the society also has put some responsibility in your shoulder. So we expect more from you. So இன்னும் நீங்க நிறைய விஷயங்கள் சமுதாயத்துல சாதிக்க வேண்டும். Okay, a few words about Rajalakshmi Institute of Technology. Rajalakshmi Institute of Technology is a NIRF ranked institute. So you all know that NIRF ranking is the Government of India's authorized ranking system, which gives a ranking based on the holistic parameter, like not only in academic performance, it's about the teaching learning process, about the placement, and about the research activities carried out by the students along with the professors, like some other parameters are there. So it is a genuine ranking system given by the Government of India. Okay, so we are in the band of 200 to 250 band. So we can probably say that we are the number one institute in Tamil Nadu which got into that NIRF ranking only with the undergraduate program. That means உங்களை மாதிரி 18 வயசுல இருந்து 21 வயசு இருக்கக்கூடிய மாணவர்கள், கல்பனா மேடம், ஞானவேல் சார், இங்க இருக்கிற ப்ரொஃபசர்ஸ் வந்து அவங்களுடைய டொமைன்ல வந்து ரிசர்ச் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. அந்த ஃபீல்டுல இந்த மாதிரியான ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், யங் மைண்ட், இவங்களும் இன்வால்வ் ஆகி ரிசர்ச் பண்றதுனால we are getting into this ranking system. So அது என்ன அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, இப்போ if you take any other colleges, they have both PG and PhD level courses are there. But RIT பொறுத்தளவுக்கு we have only undergraduate programs so far. So உங்களை மாதிரியான யங் பிளட்டோட இன்னைக்கு இந்த ரேங்கிங் வந்திருக்குது. It is really a wonderful achievement by our student, those who are in RIT. So அந்த ரேங்கிங் சிஸ்டத்தோட நாங்க இருக்கிறதுனால our placement record is proven. You know that Rajalakshmi Institute of Technology placement record is proven one. Here we will never stop one student after getting one offer not to attend to another interview. So ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஒரு ஆஃபர் வாங்கிட்டாருன்னா அவர் வந்து அடுத்த இன்டர்வியூ போகாதுன்னு ஸ்டாப் பண்ண மாட்டோம். You can go to n number of interview and you can get as much offer as you like. So we have more than 275 plus companies every year coming for campus interview. So in the last program also, Nikita Kirtana, one student, and Sudhir Hasan has interacted with the students. So they got Mr. Sudhir Hasan has got more than 6 offers, and Nikita has got 11 lakhs per annum package. So like that, many students are there. So இப்போ நிறைய ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் உங்களோட இன்ட்ராக்ட் பண்றதுக்கு ரெடியா இருக்கிறாங்க. பட் த திங் இஸ், மேடம் சொல்லியிருப்பாங்க உங்களுக்கு, தேர் ஆல் ஹேவிங் தேர் யூனிவர்சிட்டி எக்ஸாமினேஷன். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரியான பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் ரெக்கார்ட், ப்ரூவன் ரெக்கார்ட் இருக்கு. So you can get into your dream offer. Any companies, நீங்க என்ன ட்ரீம் வச்சுக்கோங்க, அதுக்கு வந்து Rajalakshmi Institute of Technology வந்து from the first year onwards we will teach the students about soft skills. இதெல்லாம் டீச் பண்ணுவோம். அதே மாதிரி அவங்களுக்கு தேவையான மற்ற பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் ரிலேட்டட் ஆக்டிவிட்டிஸ்க்கு என்ன வேணுமோ அது எல்லாமே வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர்ல இருந்தே நாங்க வந்து ட்ரெயின் பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி போயிட்டு இருக்கு. நீங்க வந்து இப்போ அட்மிஷன்ஸ் வந்து ஆல்ரெடி ஸ்டார்டட். ஆல்மோஸ்ட் இப்போ மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் சீட் வந்து இட் இஸ் அபவுட் டு க்ளோஸ். ஃபீ ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் இதெல்லாம் நீங்க நேரா விசிட் பண்ணுங்க. உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது ஃபீ ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் டீடைல்ஸ் வேணுனாலும் நீங்க போன்ல கேட்டுக்கலாம். ஸோ ஐ கேன் சே தட் நீங்க காலேஜ் விசிட் பண்றது இட் இஸ் அட்வைசபிள். ஏன்னா குயிக்கா வந்து அட்மிஷன் போட்டுக்கிறது நல்லது. ஏன்னா நிறைய பேர் போன்ல கேட்கறாங்க, எனி ஸ்காலர்ஷிப் ஃபார் அபவ் 190 கட் ஆஃப் சார், yes available. Earlier யார் வந்து அந்த ஸ்காலர்ஷிப் அவைல் பண்ணாங்களோ அவங்களுக்கு தான். ஸோ we provide merit scholarship. இது மட்டும் இல்ல, காலேஜ்ல வந்து செமஸ்டர்ல பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்றவங்களுக்கும் we are giving some prize to the students and also some scholarship also. ஸோ அது வந்து மேடம் கூட சொல்லுவாங்க, நீங்க கேட்டீங்கன்னா சொல்லுவாங்க. செமஸ்டர்ல டாப் பெர்ஃபார்மருக்குலாம் வந்து நாங்க வந்து அவார்ட்ஸ் கொடுக்குறோம். ஸோ 185 கட் ஆஃப்க்கு இருக்கா சார்? ஸோ 185 அப்படிங்கிறது இந்த வாட்டி இருக்கிற வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. பிகாஸ் எதனால நீங்க குயிக்கா வரும்போது நான் இன்னைக்கு சொல்லிட்டேன் அப்படின்னா, சார் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கிராஜுவேட் ஸ்காலர்ஷிப் இருக்கான்னு கேக்குறீங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கிராஜுவேட் அப்படின்னா நல்லா தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க, உங்க பேரண்ட்ஸ் 2 பேரும் டிகிரி வாங்கியிருக்க கூடாது, உங்க தாத்தா பாட்டி 2 பேரும் டிகிரி வாங்கியிருக்க கூடாது. அப்படி வாங்காமல் நீங்க தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் உங்க ஃபேமிலில காலேஜுக்குள்ள வர்றீங்க அப்படின்னா தென் உங்களுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கிராஜுவேட் ஸ்காலர்ஷிப் கவர்மெண்ட்ல இருந்து கொடுப்பாங்க. இட் இஸ் நாட் தி college, it is from the government. And another thing is first graduate scholarship will be given only for those who are joining through counseling மூலமா வர்றவங்களுக்கு தான். ஓகே, ஸோ கட் ஆஃப் ரேஞ்ச் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த வாட்டி வந்து we expect 190 plus for OC community and 185 plus for the BC community. ஓகேங்களா? சிஎஸ் மீதி இருக்கிறவங்க இப்போ 180க்கு மேல இருக்கிறவங்க கவுன்சிலிங் கிடைக்கணும்னு நீங்க வெயிட் பண்ணலாம். அதுக்கு கீழே இருக்கிறவங்க இட் இஸ் பெட்டர் you join in management as quickly as possible. ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ பிசிஎம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது பிசியோட தான் சேர்த்து வரும். மிஞ்சி போனா அதோட ஒரு 2 மார்க் பிளஸ் ஆர் மைனஸ்ல இருக்கும், அவ்வளவுதான். ஸோ இந்த வாட்டி வந்து யூ ஆல் அவேர் தட் 180க்கு மேல கட் ஆஃப் எடுத்துக்கவங்க நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க. ஸோ எம்பிசிக்கு எவ்வளோன்னு கேக்குறீங்க. ஸோ பிசியோட ஒரு 5 மார்க்ஸ் கம்மி பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இப்போ 180 சொல்லியிருந்தேன்ல, ஸோ 175. ஓகேங்களா? கட் ஆஃப் ஃபார் ஐடி. ஸோ நான் சொன்ன டாப் கோர்சஸ் எல்லாத்துக்கும் இப்போ சொன்ன கட் ஆஃப் தான். ஸோ டுடே வி ஆர் பிளானிங் டு கண்டக்ட் ஒன். எல்லாருக்கும் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் வந்துச்சா எதை பத்தி பேசணும் இப்போ உங்களுக்கு தெரியுதா? டுடே ஆல்சோ வி ஆர் பிளானிங் ஃபார் ஒன் மோர் கோர்ஸ். எஸ் சார், எஸ். என்ன கோர்ஸ் அது? எஸ், ஐஓடி. சிவகுமார், தேங்க்யூ. யூ காட் இமெயில்? யா, வாசிம், தேங்க்யூ வாசிம். ஓகே, கோகுல்நாத் உங்களுக்கு தெரியலையா? ஓகே, ஐ வில் டெல் தட். Today we are having IoT, that is next generation NG IoT, next course on NG IoT. Yes, Praveen, thank you. Pravina, thank you. So NG IoT ல வந்து கோர்ஸ் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணா 10 days கோர்ஸ். உங்களுக்கு ஃப்ரீ ஆன்லைன் டூல்ல நீங்களே IoT ல வந்து பிராக்டிகலா பண்ணி பார்க்குற மாதிரி பிளான் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ யூ கேன் ஆல்சோ என்ஜாய் தட். சி மை டியர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், ட்ரை டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் தட் நான் ஏஐ படிக்கிறேன் சார், எனக்கு எதுக்கு சார் ஐஓடி அப்படின்னு நீங்க நினைக்க கூடாது. So AI will be applied with the help. Okay, you have to know about this thing also. உங்களுக்கு லிங்க் எல்லாமே நாங்க அனுப்பிச்சிட்டோம். இதே லிங்க், இதே ஜூம் லிங்க் தான் நீங்க யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். அரௌண்ட் 4 o'clock it is going to start. So evening 4 to 5 we have planned it. You can inform your friends also to join. So management quota how much sir, please tell. கோகுல்நாத் நீங்க கால் பண்ணுங்க, உங்களுக்கு சொல்லிடுறோம். வாட் இஸ் ஐஓடி சார்? அதுக்கு தான் ஈவினிங் வரணும். ஈவினிங் வந்தீங்கன்னா ஐஓடி கிளாஸ் பி அப்லோடட் இன் யூடியூப். எஸ், கண்டிப்பா அப்லோட் பண்ணுவோம். இந்த கோர்சஸ்னுடைய சம் டெக்னிக்கல் இஷ்யூஸ்னால ஒரு 2 நாளுக்குரியது அப்லோட் பண்ணலன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இன்னைக்கு அதை அப்லோட் பண்ணிடுவாங்க. ஹவு கேன் ஐ ஜாயின் திஸ் கோர்ஸ் சார்? இதே சேம் ஜூம் லிங்க், யூஸ் திஸ் சேம் ஜூம் லிங்க். இந்த லிங்கை வச்சு நீங்க 4 o'clock ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கலாம். 3:45க்கு ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ அதர் பீப்புள்ஸ் நிறைய பேர் வந்து கட் ஆஃப் இதை வச்சு கேட்டு இருக்காங்க. 189 பிசி. நான் தான் சொன்னல, பிசி 185 வரைக்கும் இட் இஸ் ஓகே. பட் வி ஹேவ் டு கன்ஃபார்மா தெரியணும்னா ரேங்கிங் வரைக்கும். பட் அதுக்கு முன்னாடியே வந்தீங்கன்னா நீங்க மேனேஜ்மெண்ட்ல புக் பண்ணிக்கலாம். தென் இஃப் யூ ஆர் ஏபிள் டு கெட் இன் டு கவுன்சிலிங்ல வர்றதுக்கு நாங்க பெர்மிட் பண்றோம். ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ 194 MBs எல்லாம் கண்டிப்பா கிடைக்கும். சரி, ஸோ ஐ வில் உங்களுக்கு ஆன்சர்ஸ் வந்து இன்னும் நிறைய கொஸ்டின்ஸ்லாம் இருக்கு. நீங்க நேரா வந்து காலேஜை கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணலாம். நம்பர் வந்து ஏற்கனவே மேடம் சொல்லியிருப்பாங்க. ஸோ இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் யூ கேன் நோட் டவுன் தட் நம்பர் ஆல்சோ. 9500099988. ஞானவேல் சார், கைண்ட்லி டைப் மை நம்பர் அண்ட் சதீஷ் சார் நம்பர், போத் நம்பர்ஸ் கொடுத்துருங்க. ஐஓடிஎஸ் எஜுகேஷன் கோர்ஸ் தான். சேட் பாக்ஸ்ல டைப் பண்ணுங்க. My dear
Okay,
students,
sir.
I don't want to waste your much precious time. Over to Kalpana madam. We will meet once again. Validatory function. I hope in the validatory function we can expect our chairperson madam to come and address you. In a chairperson madam video pathina any possibility to change the timings from 9 to 10 a.m. because some have to prepare for JE. 9 to 10 10 o'clock நம்ம இது schedule பண்ணிருக்கோம் my dear student. So அதனால we cannot we are not in a position to change the time right now. So evening 4 to 5 kindly inform your friends. உங்கள சிலரை கண்டிப்பா ஈவினிங் ப்ரோக்ராம்ல மீட் பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். So thank you very much my dear students. Best wishes for your future. All the very best. Over to Kalpana madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So let's resume with our session. So this is all about indexing. Okay. So let's see the slicing operation, which is very, very important. Okay. What if we want to change the portion of the list as such? Okay. In that case, I can go with the slicing. Okay. If you want to print a portion of the list, again slicing. If we want to change a portion of the list also, I can go directly use slicing for this. Okay. Anyways, you're going to have tomorrow for list only. Don't worry. We will be completing all the topics in this tomorrow. Today and tomorrow is scheduled for the list topic only. So I'm going to teach the slicing and then stop the session today. So L is equal to eat, comma, list, comma, snack. So there are 3 items in the list named L. Okay. Now, when you look at the instruction that is available, L of 1 colon and empty value. I have not given any value here. So I've given the starting criterion and then colon. That the value that comes before the colon is the starting position or the starting index position. And after colon is the ending or the stopping index location, isn't it? So you'll have to start from the index location 1 and go through the end of this string. Yesterday itself I've told, if I'm going to have the empty values on or no values on either side of the colon, it means it is going to print the entire string. Now it is the entire list here. Okay. So now I've told it is from 1 to end of the list. Okay. So what is at index location 1? It is list. From there, I should go till the end of the list. So answer will be list snack. Okay. If I have empty colon empty, which means it is the entire list. Here I put 1 colon empty. So which means it should start from index location 1 and go till the end of the list. This is how you fetch the portion of the list. Instead of picking a one particular value, you can pick the portion of the list this way. And list assignment. So here it is just printing the portion of the list. What if we want to change the portion of the list? Okay, so that is what is called as list assignment. So look at this, L of 1 colon empty, which means we are focusing on less snack, that particular portion of this list, okay, is equal to more food. So it is an assignment statement. Ignore the left hand side, focus on the right hand side. So what is the value that we have? We have 2 items and I have a list that is put in a list, which means that list should be put inside which place? At this particular location. L of 1 colon. L of 1 colon less snack. So less snack will be replaced by more food. Listen here, this is important. So L of 1 colon means it is less snack. That those 2 items will be replaced by more food. These 2 items. So let's see the output. What is the output? The output is expected for the list L. What is it? List L. Eat is retained as such. Less snack is replaced by more food. Eat more food. Okay. So this is called as list assignment. List assignment different categories. And this particular example will come under delete and insert. So list snack is deleted. And I've inserted more food here. Okay. 2 items are removed and we are included 2 other new items. So this is one of the example which is important. Okay. People have posted, yes, many have posted the answers. Yes, good. Okay, so list assignment. So it is a combination of 2 steps. Okay, first I'm going to delete whichever is specified on the left hand side of this is equal to sign. That particular portion is taken and we are going to delete it and then fill that particular space with the right hand side value. That is what is explained theoretically here. Okay, so let's see this and stop. L is equal to 1, 2, and 3. L of 1 colon 2 is equal to 4, 5. Assignment, focus on assignment statements, focus on the right hand side. I have 4, 5. So 4,5 should be placed inside my list. Where should it be placed? That is the question. So I have given the position here. L of 1 colon 2. What is L of 1 colon 2? Starting from 1 and stop at which place? 2 minus 1, 1. Upon 1 list start panni, 1 list stop. So the focus is at only one index location called as 1. So on the index location 1, I'm going to place 4, 5. Already I have the value 2 at index location 1, isn't it? So 2 is replaced by 4, 5. So answer is 1, 4, 5, and 3. So check this 1 colon 2 ma. Start from 1 and stop at 1. Start 1, stop 1. Now the 1 mattum point pandrom. So there the value is being replaced with the newly assigned values. Okay, that's it. Then next point. This is very important. This is an rarest question and most unique question. Okay, you can have these kind of questions in interviews. L of 1 colon 1 is equal to 6, 7. Okay, on the right hand side, I have a value. Okay, so those values should be inserted onto the list. Which list? The list name is given here. It is L 1 colon 1. So focus only on the left hand side. You should start from 1. Okay, start from 1 and place 6, 5. So recent value L 1453. That is the value as of now. So 1453 la index location 1 after 1. So after 1 place 6, 7. So answer will be 167453. See, this is important. This is allowed. If you want, you can check this in the shell mode. See, L of 1 colon 1. Okay. This is allowed. This is called as replace nothing. You are using the same indexing. No, if you have the starting and stopping criterions to be the same value, meaning you are not going to delete anything onto the list. Just that you are going to go to that location and place whichever values are put on the right hand side. This is allowed. This is valid. You can check it in the shell mode. Okay, the last one is L of 1, 2. So recent value memory 167453. These are the values inside the list. Adala 1 colon 2 na focus from 1 and end with what? Again 1 2 minus 1. So on the one liner 6 irukku. Instead of 6, replace that with the space. So delete mattum pandrom. So these are the examples for replacement, insertion, replacing nothing, and then deletion, insert nothing. So these are 3 different examples. You should know that these are also allowed. Though you know how to do the slicing, you might be having a problem with this 1 colon 1. That is allowed. That you should know. And the last one, the space. This is also allowed. Space left hand side 1 colon 2 ma, which means you're focusing on only one location, index location 1 la space Apo already 6 irukku. Upon the 6 gets deleted. That is how the rule says. So these are the 3 important examples that you should learn. So in the type values you can do it. If you want, you can have n number of examples and check it in the shell mode or online interpreter as well. Okay. So I'm going to end the session with this. Tomorrow we're going to see the list methods, list comprehensions, and programs using list. Okay. Thank you, students. If you have any doubts, you can post it in the chat box. YouTube links are posted in the chat box. Please have a look at that. So tomorrow we are planning to post an assignment there. Okay, it will be like a simple MCQs, only multiple choice questions. Try to answer that. Okay, it is not the assessment, it is assignment. So whichever topics are covered, the questions will be from only those topics. Okay, try to answer them. Okay, I'll repeat that insertion and deletion and insert nothing also. Okay. You want me to show the last page? Okay, I'll show. You'll be given with multiple choice questions. Try to answer for all those questions. Okay. Try it on your own. Don't get the answers from your friends or online sources. Simple questions, MCQs are கொடுப்போம். Fill in the blanks மாதிரி வேணாலும் will give. I want the biology students also to try the answers. That is why we have brought the simple examples, and those questions only will be from the topics that are covered in the course. Okay. So data types, operators, lists, strings, iteration statements, conditional statements, not more than that. We'll be sharing the materials after the course. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can look at the YouTube links and have a revision. Okay, you want me to give multiple choice questions? Yes, I'll give. See, for admissions, the contact numbers are posted in the chat box. Ma, have a look at that. And if any other doubts, you can ping me. Regarding admission, you can ping me. No, Lakshmi, 1:1 and 1:3 are different. That is, see, the value that comes on the left hand side is the starting criterion. That falls after the colon is the stopping criterion. Surya, which topic, ma? Last topic means what? Which topic you're asking? Slicing is not at over, ma. We have n number of examples in slicing. Okay, I've purposely included the most complicated examples in the PPT so that it will be useful for you. Normally, 1:3, 1:2 long slicing. I'm not focusing on the slicing now. I've even talked about the replacement or replace nothing, insert nothing, insert, delete and insert, and all those are given here. I just wanted you to explore all these. Try all these. Take a screenshot. Okay. Try all these examples once and replace the numbers instead of 1:1:2 have 1:5 and all those. Okay, I'm not talking about the assignments here. I'm just talking about the slicing operations. Try if you're able to get the answer. Okay, and then first you find the answer and then cross verify it with the interpreter. Insert nothing. Okay. So this is called as insert nothing. Insert nothing means you're not going to insert anything. So what is the change that is made there? That is what is the question. So we are going to delete something. So L:2 is equal to empty, ma. Okay, I have not placed any values here. So L means L is the name of the list here. 1:2. What is 1:2? The starting index location is 1 and the stopping index location is 2 minus 1. It is 2 minus 1, isn't it? So I'm going to start at 1 and stop at 1. Starting at 1 and stopping at 1 means I'm still at 1 only. So the focus here on the index location 1. So L of 1, the meaning of it. Okay, that is equal to space. L of 1 is equal to space. That is the meaning. Space L of 1. So what is in the list? So in the last recent value, it is in blue color. See, 167453. Okay. So what is at index location 1 in this, ma? 6. So there, insert the space. Okay, which means remove 6. That is how the interpreter understands. So we are going to remove that. So that is what is called as insert nothing. But you are performing a deletion there. Okay, delete it, and then the answer will be 17453. Try it in the shell mode. MCQs. Tomorrow I'll give instructions regarding the MCQs. Okay, so I'll not close the session before giving the instructions. So I'll be giving you the instructions and then I'll be telling you the deadline also to submit the assignment. Don't worry. Okay, 1:1. This you want. See, this is allowed, ma. See, for this, if you have the same values on either side of this colon, and if you have the slicing on the left hand side, if you're going to have the slicing operation on the left hand side, what does it mean? On the right hand side, you're going to have a value and you're going to place those values somewhere. At which location? The location which is available on the left hand side. On the left hand side, you have 1:1, which means you're going to start from index location 1. That's meaning. Index location 1 la poite in the rendu values நீங்க insert பண்ண போறீங்க. and that is called as replace nothing and insert. So as it starts from 1, you're going to go over the index location 1 and then insert. So already first element on the 0 index location. You're going to insert 6 and 7 and then continue with the rest of the elements in the list. So the answer will be 1, 6, 7, 4, 5, 3. This is little complicated. Okay, but you should know all these kinds also. I usually have all these examples of the training classes, okay, for third year students, for the pre-final year students and final year students before they go for the interviews. But then it is important, I thought, that is why I've shared these examples to you. Stopping criterion means, see, listen, Yama, this is a starting index and this one is a stopping index, okay. I should not include this particular value. I should stop with the previous value of this. Previous value in 2 1. So only I stop pannidum. That is what is stopping criterion. Range la padichirukkom illaya andha madri. See, only if you have the same values on either side, it is called as replace nothing. 1 colon 2 koduthinga it is different ma. See, 1 colon 2 undrathu ungalku vera nadakudhu. See, 1 colon 2 kodukumbodhu enna agudhu, and the particular place irukka 2 remove pannittu 4,5 kodukringa. Whereas here inga edha remove pandroma parunga, no values are removed from the list. I'm just inserting it. I'm not replacing anything. I'm just doing the insertion here. Whereas here I'm doing the replacement. I'm deleting this 2 and then inserting 4,5. So obviously 1 colon 2 and 1 colon 1 are different. I'm just looking at the chat box for the questions. Abdul, yes, Abdul, see, depending on the department you choose, you have the different kind of subjects there. Okay, so you're going to learn it other subjects. Okay, you have no issues in writing the GATE exams. No worries on that. See, in range, you have the starting criterion, comma, stopping criterion, comma, step size, ma, same here. Whereas here, you're going to have that in the square brackets, starting index point, colon, stopping index point, colon, step size. Okay, step size is optional again. But colon and ignore panna koodadu. Colon munadi varudha starting point. Colon upper varudha stopping point. Innor colon koduthu or value koduthinga, that is the step size. Yes, Vignesh, tell me. What's your doubt? IoT classes, you just listen to the introduction class, ma. You just join the class today and get to know about it. They'll be telling you about the syllabus and the use of it. So please attend the class. Anything else? Shalini, no, those two slicings are different, ma. Those two slices are different. Yes, the starting criterion, stopping criterion, all those are the index location only, index value only, Lakshmi. Mahalakshmi, online sources are more than enough to learn. Just get to know about all the concepts first, okay, all the basics, and then learn about the different predefined functions that are available, okay, so that, see, only because of the n number of predefined functions in Python, the language helps in writing the code easier. We will be writing only very simple code and few number of lines. It's because of the predefined functions that are available. Okay. And then you can learn the packages, and based on the problem statement or the priority, you can learn. Check your Telegram group or mail for the details, program details. Regarding this cutoff and all admission, just call the admission team, or you can even call me, post a text. I guess, yeah, my number is already shared. Okay, check the mail that is shared. You have all the numbers of the admission team, and also my number is available in the mail. Anything else? So we shall resume for the list tomorrow. Thank you, students. Thank you.